Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can recreate Princess Peach's baking outfit on Dress to Impress with, again, no VIP for this one. So I'm just going to remove everything except for the ones I made adjustments on because it's a lot and I'm not going to make you guys watch me struggle with that. But for the hair, we're going to use this hair in this yellow color, FFC214. Position the Y 0.42, Z 0.55, rotate the X to 0.54. Grab this hair and color it the same color. First toggle, position the Y 0.56, Z 0.52, scale it to 0.41. Grab this hair in bangs only, position the Z to 0.41, scale it to 0.35. Grab this hat, this chef's hat, it's a bonnet, sorry. Color it white in matte. Position the Y 0.70, Z 0.46, rotate the X to 0.47, and scale it to 0.41. Grab this headband in A71316, position the Y 0.65, Z 0.55, rotate the X to 0.45, and scale it to 0.41. Grab these earrings in the same red color, position it the same, but scale it up to 0.65. For the tie, grab this tie in this color here. Position the Y 0.57, rotate the X to 0.52 and Y 0.48 and scale it to 0.36. Then grab this necklace and color it this color FFCA33 26838C and the color of the skin. Position the X to 0.42, Y 0.39, Z 0.30. Rotate the X to 0.52 and scale it to 0.33. For the outfit, I am going to grab these sleeves here from Codes in just sleeves and color it white, and then the rest in that same red color. Grab this dress over here and toggle it to the second toggle and color it all this white color. You can make it matte too. Then I'm just going to grab this skirt from the World Cultures Day, and I'm going to select this pattern, this plaid pattern. Then I'm also going to grab this top here, and I'm just going to color everything white just to make it a little bit more square looking. Then for the shoes, I'm going to use these boots. Color the first one this color, 905511 in light silk, and then light silk as well in this color 5D370B, and then color the rest that same color. Enable socks and color the last preview white in matte. That is it. You can add a mixing bowl, but that is a VIP item, but without it, it still looks pretty cute. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.